Hey my friends, welcome back to a new video. This is your confirmation that the best times of your life are ahead of you. Something truly incredible is about to happen, so open your heart right now. I have a message for you, a special message for everyone which come across this video. And it is about clarity, a mental clarity. Because I know that there's something you want to experience, something maybe you want to experience really badly, or something you want to let go of, or there's something you would like to change, like maybe your life is already going exactly how you've planned, but still you can't sense that sense of fulfillment, or there's something you would like to improve, whatever it is. Mental clarity is an alignment, my friends. Being clear on what we want, what kind of feelings we want to experience, what kind of manifestations we want to experience, what kind of relationships, what kind of financial outcome we want to experience, what kind of health we want to experience, where we want to be, where we want to travel, what kind of new things we want to experience in our lives. It's all about clarity, and clarity is alignment with that experience. When we are clear on what we want, we start attracting it. We start attracting opportunities. We start attracting new ideas how to get there. So if you're lacking clarity, that can be the main reason why you may feel stuck, or why you may feel that nothing is moving towards that manifestation. So clarity is a clear impulse of where to go. And there's a practice you can do if you're lacking clarity. There's a practice you can do. And the first thing is to truly get perfectly clear on what you want. And if you need some inspiration, read a book. Maybe, if you are inspired to take your life to the next level, let's say maybe you want to become more productive, or maybe you want to become more motivated and more inspired. It's not actually about how motivated we are, but how clear we are on what we want. So we can do the things even at the days when we feel like we don't want to do that. We do it because we are clear on what we want, and we are clear on what is anchoring us into the past, which is blocking our growth. So we can let go of what is not supporting that process. So get perfectly clear, my friends. If you want to manifest those wanting results, if you want to shift your life, get clear. Clarity is that momentum that has no resistance. And every time we truly identify what is the thing we will work on, what is the thing we will visualize, what is the thing we will experience, we create the momentum. And then it's just up on us. Are we willing to do what is required to get there? So also get clear on what will you do. Let's say from now on, from today on. And yesterday we were talking about the new moon's energy, which is a truly perfect time to start initiating that process. Get clear on what will you do. If before I said clarity is like trusting the path, the trust comes after you gain that clarity, right? So get clear on what will you do. The second thing, get clear on what will you do. Today I will start my day with meditation. I will visualize having that thing. Then I will sit down and I will write few things down what I need to do in order to get closer to it. I will start that project. I will call those people. I will talk with those people. I will write those emails. I will open my online shop, or I will post one product on that shop, or I will write that blog. I will write that first chapter of the book or first few sentences of the first chapter of my first book. Or I will start a painting. I will paint a part of that painting. Or I will go for a long walk. If you haven't gone for a long walk for a long time, today I will go for a long walk to gain greater clarity over how to improve my health, for example. There are so many things we are not clear about, right? So many things. Meditation can help you to gain greater clarity. And through meditation, what we are doing, we are actually letting go of all the ideas and thoughts and worries from our daily life. And we start cleansing our mental box so we can see things more clearly. Once we see things more clearly, we can identify what is truly important to us, what is truly important in our lives. And once we identify it, we can truly initiate the process. So once we start the process, we create that momentum and suddenly things start flowing. So the third thing you can do is also to get clear on what you've already done. What you've already done towards that path. Because you may recognize you haven't done a lot, or you may recognize you've done a lot, and you can see the results. Are results happening? Are they coming to you? Are they coming to you the way you expect them, or they're coming in different forms, in different ways? Sometimes we want to manifest money, but we manifest an idea. And we say, oh, it's not the money, so the universe is not supporting the process. Or visualization and manifestation is just not working for you. But the universe is just reminding you, use what you've got. Use what you've got. And if you use the idea, maybe it can bring you much more money that you've visualized. So you see, it's not about opportunities, but how we use them. If we use them. If we grab them. So my friends, get also clear on what you've already done. And recognize the results in your life. Are the results the way you want them to be? Or are they a bit different? Can you learn something from what you've already experienced? Are there some lessons you need to get, you need to gain, you need to learn from? Because the universe is always preparing you to become who you are meant to be. And often it's hard to understand on that conscious level. But deep inside your subconscious mind, or on that soul level, there's a plan which your soul already understands. And I've experienced in my life, even when I had no idea what I want to experience, later in life I've noticed that something was leading me into the direction where I am right now. So I understand that there is a path, there is a plan written deep inside your soul. Or some people say there's a plan for you written in the stars. And sometimes we just don't need to understand it. But we need to gain a greater clarity over what we sense right at this moment that we could do, so we can start walking towards it, right? So recognize what you've already done towards your dreams, towards those ideas and visions and so on. So you can see that you are actually already doing the work. And sometimes we just feel like we don't want to do anything. Sometimes we feel like today I will just chill. Today I will let go of everything I need to do. Today I will let go of motivation, of inspiration, and I will just be, and it's okay. It's perfectly well. That's where you actually release all the tension and all the worries and all the fears. If you know how to relax, if you know how to let go, right? So it's nothing wrong with that, but also get back to it later. Don't stay there, don't stay stuck. It's all about flowing, right? The fourth thing you can do is identify what is not helping you to get there. Identify what is distracting you. Identify what is blocking you. Because often we can recognize, for example, if I give you something from my life, if I get clear on what I want, I will experience a new idea for painting. If that's the case that I've just finished the previous painting and I'm in the process of getting idea for the new one. And to gain greater clarity, I will go into meditation, and usually I experience a vision for my next painting or an idea for the next painting. And then I need to recognize why I don't initiate it. Like, what is blocking me? Sometimes I feel distracted, sometimes there's too many emails and I say, well, I don't have time. Sometimes I say, well, I need to check something on my phone, and different things. So I need to identify what is not helping me to do what I know that I need to do, so I can let go of those distractions. And sometimes I just, I schedule the time where I let myself to be distracted, or I let myself to do the things which are not so important and are truly just for pleasure or for, just spending some time off. So you see, we need to organize our mind a little bit so we can gain greater awareness and greater focus over the things which are truly important. So identify what is not helping you. And the fifth thing, at the end of the day, reflect your day. Reflect how it went, how you've done it today, and how often you were truly clear on what you want, and how often you were clear on what you need to do, and how often you truly did it. How many moments in a day you are truly doing what you know that is the best for you. And where you felt distracted, where you felt like you were losing that sense of connection with yourself, the sense of connection with what is important, the sense of connection with nature, with your soul, with your heart, and how it went, to see if tomorrow you could do it better, or if tomorrow you could do something differently. It will help you to truly gain a greater clarity. So this is a message of clarity. And I hope it can help you to stay in that greater alignment with yourself, so you can do the things with greater flow and with greater ease. So there's also one intention I want to share with you here, which is I'm clear on what I want and what I need to do to get it. So you can also start your day with that intention, and you can remind yourself every time when you're feeling kind of lost and when you're feeling like your energy is falling down, to be clear on what you want and what you need to do. Is sometimes also just meditation, to let go of everything which is distracting you. Many thoughts may come up, many different beliefs and stories may come up, and sometimes we're losing time to do things, right? So we do what we need to do, but at some point we need to get back to see if we can change something, right? If we could maybe manage our time in a day a bit differently. Maybe if there's something related to your health, a diet, a certain activity, you could manage to, to apply more of it, or to change a bit something with diet, or to become more active, to do a workout, even if it's a quick workout. Could you still apply it somewhere in a day? And what you need to let go of to add something new, which is more important, right? You see, it's all about that management. and truly choosing what is more important and letting go of what is less important. So, my friends, I hope this video can help you to gain that greater clarity over your life, and I'm sending you lots of love, blessings, and power. Have a beautiful day, and till next time, one love.